So you're starting off as a gamer and you're trying to get this look. It's actually a lot easier than you think, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, you're going to need a green screen, which you see right behind me. I'll link a few of them down in the description box below if you want to check out the one that I have or some other options. They're not that expensive to get. There's several different options. The next thing that you do need is a good lighting source. So you have to have something that is lighting you up because that's going to help separate you from that green screen in the background. So now that you've got your green screen and your lighting source, let's head over to OBS and I'll show you how to set it up in there. Okay, we're in OBS and let's assume you've already got your gaming source set up on your scene itself. So we come up with our webcam right here. You can see I'm in my full view of my webcam and you can see the green screen that's right behind me. Now you want to minimize this obviously because you want to make yourself smaller and you want to get rid of the parts behind me that are not within that green screen area. So first of all, let's grab the corner right here. And we're actually, oops, that's the gaming source. We'll grab the actual source right there. There we go. And that's going to minimize me. You can see the game that I'm potentially playing in the background right there. And you can see myself still within that green screen area. So we want to reduce these sides. So we're going to hold the Alt key down and then just click and drag that. And hold the Alt key down again and click and drag that area right there. So now I'm within that green box area. So let's go ahead and just position me, say, down in the corner, just right down here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into your sources where your webcam is and click on Filters, right click, Filters, and then we're going to click on the plus button and we're going to click on Chroma key, OK. And there we go. So you can see I'm invisible right here on the little demo. We're just going to close that. And that's what I look like now on the screen itself. We're actually just going to extend the box a little bit up right there so I don't have my head cut off. So there we go. So you can see I'm completely overlaid on the screen now. The other thing now you want to do is you want to make sure that the color is correct. So we're going to right click on my webcam again, go Filters again, and then click the plus button again and go on to Color Correction. Okay, and this is where you can adjust your color. So sometimes you might see a little bit of stutter or something in the background. So you can adjust those different things on your actual self. So if we go gamma, we can kind of adjust it to make the color look a bit better. Maybe add a little bit more contrast here. Make it a bit brighter maybe. Saturation, maybe turn it down a slight bit. And hue, we can adjust it to wherever you want. And you can now, if you click on this, you can move yourself around on screen. You can click your corner. You can adjust it if you want to make yourself smaller, and you can put yourself in different areas of the screen. But a lot of people don't do this and they get really confused and they never end up trying it. But again, as I just showed you guys in this video, very, very simple, easy to do the green screen effect. Make sure you comment down below if this worked out for you, this video was helpful for you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.